What could you achieve if you had an additional IT team supporting you? Imagine the best performing, most reliable IT environment your business could have, designed to be robust, adaptable, and safe from a multitude of threats.
Scantron Technology Solutions. This is Corinne.
Scantron Technology Solutions enables customers of all types to get better performance, higher availability, and greater return from their IT investments.
I've let your local field service tech know, and they will reach out to you to coordinate a time to come out on site.
We provide local IT support and services nationwide. Today, we employ more than 300 people in our technology headquarters and more than 165 field service technicians in almost every major metro area. And we're still growing. In fact, if you're not already a Scantron customer, you work with or buy from a business who is, as we serve more than 52,000 customer sites around the country. We maintain and repair IT equipment, including servers, routers, printers, PCs, laptops, and specialty hardware. We design networks, implement upgrades, and roll out new technology from small offices to large locations to businesses with thousands of sites. We fully manage printing environments to help customers better control costs and never run out of consumable supplies. And we free up your in-house IT resources to focus on value-adding tasks by managing your networks and resolving issues, often before you experience any slowdown. By doing what we do best, we help you focus on what you do best, whether you're in Myrtle Beach, Huntington Beach, rocking in Cleveland, starting up in Seattle, ice fishing in Minneapolis, or sporting in Baton Rouge. When you win, we win. That's how we do things. We're Scantron Technology Solutions, the world's best IT service and support company, and we're proud to be based in Omaha, Nebraska.